Welcome to part 1 of my unboxing video of the Instant Pot Multicooker XL 7.1 litre. So this is my first Instant Pot. I thought I'd make an unboxing video showing everything that's in the box. In part 2 I will be cooking in the Instant Pot. Some information on this side: Instant Pot Multicooker XL, stainless steel steam rack, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, inner pot lid and accessories. Easy to use interface, guided cooking indicator and 4 customizable favorites: pressure cook, slow cook, saute, steam, warm, yogurt, egg. Instant claim this cooks 70% faster and it uses 80% less energy. If any of you guys have used an Instant Pot before, please let me know in the comment section below what your thoughts are. Low profile and larger surface area for better cooking. Getting started guide. Some QR codes here. Download the full user manual. Need inspiration? You can access 1,000+ recipe ideas. Okay, so starting off at the back, we get a fixed cord. Mine is a 3-pin one because I'm in the UK. Some information at the back here. On the side here, that's the condensation holder. That's what it looks like from the bottom if you're interested. 2 rubber pads at the bottom. Lock on and lock off to remove the lid. Steam release. On the back we have the steam release switch. Push that down, that will go down. If I push this up, that lifts up. The inside we have a float valve. We have a seal in here. Rack. The inner pot. Some markings there. That's what it looks like from the bottom. I think this is around 11 centimeters deep. A warning sticker here. And that's what the inside looks like. Having a look at the display, we have preheat, cook, warm. That's letting us know that it's off. 6 presets here, 3 on this side and 3 on this side. Pressure cook, saute, egg, slow cook, steam, yogurt. Temperature, time, 4 favorites, cancel, time delay, keep warm and start button. My first time I'm using an Instant Pot and I think it's really easy to use. It has a nice simple display. Okay, so say I wanted to pressure cook something, I'd push the pressure cooker button. It's come up as 10 minutes. I can increase the time if I want. Of course I could decrease it and then I would just press start. Preheat has come up and then it will go to cook and then keep warm if I had selected keep warm. I'm going to go wash the pot now and then I'm going to get on with some cooking, which you will get to see in part 2. Make sure you are subscribed and push the bell notification. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in part 2.